Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Pie. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some press-on nails from Alibaba.com. No, these nails are not from Alibaba. They're from the drugstore. But we got these 100% handmade acrylic nails from Alibaba. I'm pretty sure if you use Alibaba, you've came across these nails because they are super trending. I feel like a lot of people don't know about them, but you see them and you're like, oh my God, I want to buy those. Oh my God, they look so nice. Oh my God, like, are the pictures they're using real? So today we're going to get into all of the goodness with acrylic nails from Alibaba.com. And of course, if you're an entrepreneur and you're a small business owner and you love videos like this and you actually use Alibaba or you want to learn how to use Alibaba, be sure to subscribe to this channel, you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys will benefit from all of the videos that we post here. Okay guys, so these nails and this super cute pink box is going to be the nails that I ordered from the first vendor. These are 100% handmade acrylic nails, and this is the first set. I actually wore these already because I am going to be adding these to my shop. So I wore them and they are amazing quality, you guys. You guys are going to be super impressed if you go ahead and purchase from Alibaba some acrylic nails. Super duper impressed at the quality and the strength of these nails, you guys. Okay, so they do offer these nails in sizes extra small, small, medium, and also large. You can give them custom nail numbers if you would like to. And these are actually in the set of a 24, which I prefer to get because this cuts down the time of people not knowing how to size their nails correctly and leaving you bad reviews on your website because they didn't know how to correctly size their nails, which is completely their mistake. So this is the second set that I got. So let's get into the specs of this vendor. So for these samples, I paid $35 for each sample, but these nail sets are actually $50 per set because they are very complex and they are super duper long. So for these are actually $50 per set. I got 2 samples and the total for my samples came out to $103. That's with shipping included. Okay, so I ordered these nails on October 10th and I received them on October 24th, which is actually 2 weeks. So the shipping method that I used was actually DHL. So again, this is the first nail vendor and these are actually the nails that I'm going to be adding to my website. So these sets are $50 per set. So let's get into the next vendor. Okay, so nail vendor number 2 sent the nails inside of this clear plastic and they also came with these. This vendor also included a care packet which had a nail file, a stick hair, and the same stickers. But this is vendor number 2. It came in this clear box. I'm not sure if this is because it was a sample, but this is the box that it came inside of. So this is the first set. Again, I paid $35 for these samples. I got 2 samples and these samples came out to $100 and we used FedEx as shipping. So it was $3 cheaper than this first nail vendor here. So I ordered these nails on October 10th. Literally the same day because I literally did this to make this video for you guys. So I wanted to try out a few vendors. So I ordered 2 on the same day, October 10th, and these I got on Halloween, which was October 31st. So this vendor actually took longer to create the nails and I got them 3 weeks. So it took 3 weeks to get the second vendor nails. And also I want to add, second vendor, their nails are more expensive. These sets come in at $58. And I feel like these are not as complex as the first one. And the first one is still cheaper. So of course I'm going to be going with the first vendor. At first I was super upset because I thought that the $35 is how much I was going to be paying per set. But it was actually like just for samples. So after you get your samples, they're going to give you the actual price of the nail set. So because you guys are watching this video, it's actually super beneficial for you guys because now you're able to skip the guessing of thinking it's $35 and it actually turning out to be more. So of course, when you're ordering samples, make sure that you mention to them, okay, so what is your price for the sample? And also what is the price going to be like once you're interested in actually ordering a bulk of these nails? I wish I knew that because I probably wouldn't have went with the second vendor. I would have just stuck with the first vendor that has the nails for cheaper. So yeah, that is literally pretty much everything with these nails. I think they are so cute. Like, I like both of them, but instead of using this vendor, I could always just send the first vendor these designs and get them to make the same designs. These are super easy. So if they can do these super duper complex nails, I know for sure they can do the nails that the second vendor did for me. So yeah, this video, I know you guys will find this video beneficial. So let me know in the comments if you were like interested in getting some acrylic nails from Alibaba.com, and let me know if this video has confirmed that you should go ahead and make that purchase. Again, you guys, you're paying $50 for these. That's $50 with shipping included. So it's $50 flat. $50 shipping included. I went ahead and I put my order in for a bulk, and it was like literally a straight flat rate. So $50, that's with the shipping included. And I feel like it's a very good deal because you're paying $50 for these nails. You're saving time. You're not having to buy a bunch of supplies to make all of these nails and all of these different styles. And most of all, your time, you guys. Your time is the biggest investment. That's like why I stopped selling press-on nails, because it was so time consuming. So for buying these for $50 and you're selling these are not cheap nails. They're luxury, high quality nails. So if you buy them for $50, you can sell these nails anywhere from $80 to $150. So that is a really good profit. And of course, on top of your profit, you have to add your tax that is going to be subtracted from your business when you make your sales. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys are going to be grabbing some samples of acrylic nails from Alibaba.com, you guys. I really hope this video was beneficial for you. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.